Here was good, yeah. So I'm gonna be going over a few pairs that I have listed here. So we're gonna be going over EU, UJ, GU, GJ, AU, US 30, and NAS. All right. So first and foremost, thank you for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day and a great weekend here. So yeah. So today is the 18th. Markets have opened. So right now I'm just gonna basically just take a real quick rundown. I don't want to spend too much time, just going through everything and all that. Um, so what I have here basically is EU on the H4, and I'm looking for either EU to either continue this downward trend down to this 105 500 level, or to basically break up out of this little area here, break out that low high, retest it, and then continue going upward to test this 109.02 level. So that's basically it. So if you want to like capitalize on this, I mean, stay tuned for it and see how it plays out. And then always, as usual, use proper lot sizing and risk accordingly. Okay, so go and jump down to UJ. So UJ is pretty simple. From here, I mean, it's been basically going upward for a bit, so I would like to see some sort of like low retracement down here and then possibly continue. If it does end up breaking this low here, then I'm looking for the retest and a continuation, possibly down to this low to a target. That's basically it. Yeah. It can't continue further down here, but obviously I like to be realistic with the targets, so I just like to see like what we can do. GU, we do have an area here where we can kind of get the move going up into this area and then break down past these lows and then make another low. I do see potential for a downside, more than upside, but if it does end up breaking up towards the upside, then if it breaks this area, we can get like a retest of either this zone or back down to here to then continue going further up. GJ, favorite pair. Come down, not my, but a favorite pair. So with GJ, I would like to see GJ actually test this low and then continue rather than it breaking down lower. But in the sense of it, like just being going up since like the whole basically 2 weeks of February, I would like to see possibly break, retest, and then continue going downward just to see if it's gonna show some bearish momentum in this one. So, and it will kind of correlate with the GU as well, but not to say I look at correlations, but yeah. So AU has been kind of just dormant. Like it's just like haven't been given us much, but I would like to see retest and continue. That's my most likely test going towards the downside, but if it breaks this high here, then I would like to see the retest and it can continue upward. So that's basically it. US 30 indices. US 30 is very simple. So US 30, obviously I would like to see it come down as it already is. Come down. Actually, it hasn't even moved yet. All right, so come down to this area and then continue going upward. That's it. If it breaks that level, I would like to see the break, retest, and continuation to the downside. And then NAS, for NAS, I'd like to see it continue further down into this area and then continue going further up. If it doesn't, then I'd like to see maybe possibly a break, a retest, and continuation down to this level. Like that's it. For those who know me, when I trade like the supply and demand, it's basically if then syntax. Like that's it. If this happens, then I'll look for this. If that happens, then I'll look for that. Simple as that. Trading is very simple. Just got to keep it simple in that fashion and just keep it pushing. That's it. If you like the chart breakdowns for these pairs, please feel free to comment down below. What other pairs would you guys like to see me analyze? Any questions you have, leave them down below. With that also being said, make sure that you please do like, subscribe, and again, comment. Let me know how you liking these breakdowns of these pairs, and then if I should just add any more that you guys are trading. All right. So much love, much peace, and God bless each and every one of y'all. Deuces.